Today is our 9th annual Edible Book Festival hosted by the Sheridan Libraries. It's a celebration of literature, baking, and whimsy. The talent and imagination that bakers throughout the Hopkins community bring to the event is phenomenal. When it comes to edible books, no one can top us.
We made an obscene amount of cake. Once we decided we were going to do it, we just said we got to do it right. It's a Lorax cake. It's like 4 tiers. It's chocolate cake, there's a ganache and a raspberry filling, and then an Italian meringue buttercream on the outside. I think we slayed. I think we're done. Getting to look around and see everyone else who also put in so much effort, and even like all these things, they're so cute. Everyone's having such a good time.
It's a real, just wonderful community experience.
This is so lovely to just be able to walk around and eat some cake.
Oh my God, that's a big piece.